Game captain
Inoue
for Japan.
is the assigned captain of the floor para di sa Japan. As
First
Ponpon
serve goes to
is
Thailand.
on deck to serve, brought to you by
Team
Smart.
captain.
Live more.
Number 11, red card, Ponpon.
Targets Inoue. Back set. Sakamoto, block. Higane, pupunta kay Kaori Mabashi. Good coverage by Thailand. Chachuon will try the dive, the save. The attack this time from Japan, and ball will fall.
Alam mo, that was zone 6. That's really a crazy zone. Every time the ball falls in zone 6, it's an immediate point to the team that did that. Ang layo kasi nung defense ng Thailand at that time.
Number
Now,
16,
zone 5, sabi ni Coach
Sakamoto.
Abo Kiyoshi.
Nanaka Sakamoto with 12 attack points and the service for Japan. Easy over. Pimpik Saya puts it down.
You know, itong Thailand, parang they want this. They want this set. So let's see kung paano magre-react yung Japan.
Chachuon on deck to serve, brought to you by Smart.
Number 9, Moksri, Chachuon.
Higane will go to Inoue, and she puts it down.
Over the block.
Inoue, pinadaan niya sa gitna ng dalawang blockers yung bola niya, kaya easy point for her.
Fast attack and a furious finish. Ultra fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera. Ultra fast LTE for a happy family.
Hitomi, Kodama.
Ponpon goes to Adsapon.
Si Adshapon talaga, ang gusto niyang sets malapit sa net. Yung almost on top of the tape. Ang gusto niya, napakaganda ng mga hits niya when that happens.
Palitan lang ng attack points. Ito pa rin yung koponan to start set number 5. And the Smart serve brought to you by Smart. Live more.
Bundasak,
Oo nga,
Jaspon.
1-1, 2-2. Kaka-excite to.
Gagawa na paraan ni Inoue. Pinadaanan naman sa blocker.
Alam mo, masyado kasi magkalayo yung blockers ng Thailand. Kailangan yung elbows ng 2 blockers, nagta-touch sila. That's how you know if you're close enough. Now, Coach Abo Kiyoshi says zone 1.
Kaori, Mabashi.
Ponpon goes back to Adsapon. Unfortunately, out of bounds.
Ball is out.
That ball went long.
2.
I thought it hit one of the arms of the back row players of Japan, but apparently, walang nangyaring ganon.
They have a 2-point
Number
lead for
17,
serving 2. The
Mabashi.
service brought to you by Smart. Live more. Ponpon, quick play. Hataya with a hammer.
Bawi agad kasi hindi nila matanggap na yung bola kanina. The point was given to Japan. Look at this replay.
Ultra fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera. Ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Ponpon rarely runs the same play twice.
Yeah, kaya nga ang hirap mabase kung saan pupunta yung bola na isiset niya. What play is going to be played by Thailand.
Another quick play by Hataya. They got time, parehong play. Combination for Adsapon!
Over the block.
Itong very aggressive ang Thailand ngayon. And let's see who will get to the first technical timeout first because statistically, whoever gets to number 8 gets the match. So let's see what's going to happen.
Number 8, Cochrane.
They're like fighter jets, talking about Thailand, the way they fly, the way they attack. Inoue will try. Rises and baptizes once again.
You know, sabi ni Inoue, teka, nakakarami na yata itong Thailand.
And the Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera. Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
Captain number 6, Anisa Inoue.
One point will go to Adsapon. This receive goes out of bounds. Puntos sa Thailand.
5-all.
Deck to service Adsapon.
Number 18, Kamyo Adsapon.
And an error for Thailand.
Japan,
The service line. Matagal natin di nasabi yan na may service error in Thailand.
Substitution.
Yeah, and you know, you really don't want to have a service error in set number 5 kasi hanggang 15 lang to. Kaya kailangan yung bawi ng Thailand immediate.
mga 2, 3, 4-point scoring binges, ang laking bagay.
Oo.
Dito sa set number 5. Let's see if Japan or Thailand can put together a scoring pair.
Yamauchi.
As Yamauchi is on deck to serve, brought to you by Smart. Live more. Ponpun goes to Chachuan. Good dig by Inoue. Oh, violation.
There was a double violation there called on Japan.
6-all.
Yun yung mga breaks of the game na kailangan, nako, talagang hindi nangyayari. Kailangan bawi agad to.
Service. Number 7. Bamansuk Hataya.
Hataya serves it up. Kojima receives. Higane to Sakamoto. Dynamic duo will detonate.
Sakamoto. 7-6.
Sakamoto with a terrifying hit there, cross court, pero ibang angulo ang ginawa niya, nakalusot sa blockers. Actually, I even think tinamaan ng bola yung isang kamay ng blocker, kaya naiba yung angulo ng hit niya.
Ponpun. Pujara Spon is received. The dump. Kojima with a dive. And the shot and the finish for Mabashi.
Cross-court shot.
Grabe. So now Japan gets to number 8 first. They change court and let's see what will happen in the second half of this 5th set.
Kanina puro naririnig natin Sakamoto. Ngayon, Kaori Mabashi coming back to life here for Team Japan.
Ito ring Team Japan, no? Iba-iba rin ngayon ang binibigyan ng bola. Chances to hit, chances to make an offensive attack.
Matches begin at 10 a.m.
But you know, credit yung setting nito si Ponpun para dito sa koponan ng Thailand. Credit the excellent saving,
Yes.
excellent digging nito si Kojima. Ang dami niyang buwis-buhay save attempt. At ginagawa ng paraan ng kanila setter na si Higane para naka-atake. Sina Sakamoto, sina Mabashi.
That's right. And you know, makikita mo rin sa mga mukha nila ni Kojima at saka ni Ponpun na aggressive, leadership, nandyan, painted all over their faces.
Different kind of leadership needed from the captains when you're playing in a set number 5 with at stake is a seat in the finals.
Yes, and you know, usually pa, yung setter ang pinakamaingay. Parang siya pa nga yung leader eh, even if she's not the team captain because she calls the shots.
Combination play for Chachuan.
And Ponpun creates that play for Thailand.
Chachuan scores.
We've said this time and again. Look at this, Ponpun creates and Chachuan detonates.
Lovely play there by Thailand.
Service.
The service brought to you by Smart. Live more. Higane gets under it. Mabashi blocked up top.
Alam mo, alam ng Thailand eh kung paano ibablock, kung kailan ibablock, kung sino ang ibablock sa Japan. Talagang pinag-aralan din nila ang kupunan ng Japan. Look at this replay.
Andun talaga yung blockers.
Yes, on time sila sa talon nila.
Higane back set. And that point is good for Japan.
Japan
She
scores.
said that ball hit the antenna. So kumbaga, na off the block hit nila yon.
Sakamoto on deck to serve, brought to you by Smart. Live more.
Service. Number 16. Nanaka Sakamoto.
Japan with a precarious 1-point lead. 9 serving 8.
Oh, wow! Ang sakit siguro nun sa loob ni Sakamoto. Having a service error at this time. 9-all.
Suffice to say, patibayan ng loob, palinisan ng laro, ang labanan.
Correct.
Here at 9-all.
Chachuan.
Inoue, cross-court shot. Too long.
Inoue really wanted that kill. Kaya lang napakalakas lang talaga ng palo niya. It went wide and Natapon really loved that error from Japan.
All the games I've covered here. Dito sa ABC Under 23, this has got to be the most gut-wrenching. As this service is brought to you by Smart. Live more. Another service error, this time from Thailand.
We are tied at 10.
Palitan sila ng service error.
Substitution. Japan. 5 out.
Miura coming back in for blocking purposes.
In.
Para sa mga coaches na ito, it's a chess match as well.
Service.
That's right.
Number 18. Hitomi
Here we
Kodama.
go.
Japon off the blocker. Back set by Kodama. Inoue will try. Japon against the blocker, puts it down!
And you can see Coach Tai in the bleachers, in the audience area, dancing to the tune of Thailand.
What a shot here, Japon, letting them feel her fury. Ultra fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra fast LTE for a happy family.
What an angled hit there by Japon.
Service. Number
11
3.
serving 10.
Home.
Thailand within 4 points of going to the last dance. How will Japan respond? Inoue down the line!
Corner pocket.
They're not, the game's not over
11
yet,
all.
sabi ng Japan. Wow, what a hit there by
Substitution.
Inoue.
Japan,
Talaga namang
17
corner of
out.
zone 5.
3. Shibata. In. 7 out.
Take a look at it again. Inoue, where the ultra fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra fast LTE for a happy family.
Service. Number 3.
Shibata with the
Mika
service.
Shibata.
Shibata, the original setter of Japan, is
Sinabol ng Japan. Inoue kukuha. Excellent dive by the Thai libero. Japon, no! Inoue gagawa ng paraan. Pagkakataon para sa Thailand. Hataya blocked up top. Ball still alive. Good rally in set number 5. Cross scored, set up to Inoue. And that one is good.
What a hit by
Ball is
Inoue.
in.
Grabe,
Point
exciting
and
the
serve.
game na to.
Go to
You know,
Japan.
si Ponpon was just
Now on
a little
top
bit
by-
late in getting that ball. She could have pancaked that, but hindi niya naisip at that particular time.
12 to 11 is the score here in the 5th and final set.
Shibata still on deck to
top
serve.
by 1 point.
Paradisa Japan.
Service.
Japan within 3
Is
points
number 3,
now
Mika
of taking this
Shibata.
game, taking this match, taking the ticket to the finals. Combination play. Japon puts it down.
Thailand scores.
Grabe,
Thai
Japon talagang nakalusot na naman sa blockers. Eto, look at this. A combination play, nalito yung defenders ng Japan. They didn't know who to block.
Pipichay.
Pichaya on deck to serve. Abla tayo, 12 points apiece. Shibata gets under it. Imamura. And that one is too long.
Imamura with no wrist
Now
action
up.
there,
By
making
1
that
point.
ball go wide.
Timeout. Japan score. Japan 12.
Thailand
Thailand.
getting back
13.
the lead. This timeout is brought to you by Ribisco, making delightful moments possible every day. Pressure is on, Chicky.
That's right. For both teams, you know, I could just imagine yung heartbeat ng both coaches.
Tandaan natin, Chicky, itong Japan wala pang talo.
Yes.
Thailand may isa.
And this would probably be the first, if ever, for Japan to have a loss.
13 to 12, 1-point lead, Thailand over Japan.
Alam mo, dito, talagang you have to be able to control your emotions, that you won't get too excited so that your hits will still go inside the court.
Kokran. Pimpichaya.
Oh, Pipichaya serves with an ace.
You know, you have to follow the ball. Hindi mo pwedeng assume that it's gonna go long. You have to follow the ball, especially hanggang 15 lang ang 5th set.
We're at
Now,
match point in
at
set
match
number
point.
5.
Service.
Will it be
number 8.
Thailand?
Pimpichaya.
Will it be Japan? Joust at the top. Japan wins that point.
Overreaching, says the first referee.
Overreach.
So the point goes to
By
Japan
Thailand.
for that joust.
13 to 14.
And Japan survives.
Service. Number 6.
Thailand up by 1.
Ansa
Coach Tai
Inoue.
Bundit on his feet. Ponpon to Japon, and she puts it down!
Thailand takes the match.
What a game
15.
by two teams, Japan and Thailand. You know, Japan entered this match with no loss, but Thailand was so aggressive.
Look at Coach Natapon going up to Coach Tai Bundit over there in the bleachers. going up to his family, to their supporters. And Thailand will go to the last dance against China in the finals of the ABC Under-23 tournament.
What a game from both Japan and Thailand. You know, itong Thailand talaga namang naka-adjust na siya agad dito sa play ng Japan.
And Thailand in set number 5 throughout the tournament, not the tallest of teams, but they are systematic, they are surgical, and when they play like that, Thailand can be spectacular. As you take a look at the final score, 21-25, 23-25, 25-20.